Hey, hi, hello, and welcome to another episode of rsglamrush channel. And after so long, I am making a video finally. In this video, we will be talking about face serums, which are a basic need of a skincare regime. And as this is winter, so we definitely need something like this, which will give a more moisturization to our skin. The four serums that I will be talking here will be from the brand of NYbae. I have been using them for quite a while now. So these are like it's like this. So I have four of them of different varieties and different skin issues. So in this video I'll be talking about the benefits you get from serum, how to use the serum in the proper way to get all its benefit, and also the side effects, and also which skin types should use which kind of serum. We gonna talk about all this in this video, so stay tuned till the end. So let's get started to this video. So they are cute, so packaging with this small bottle. This is a glass container. It comes with the pump like this, so you need to open this cap and pour this to get out all the serums, or you can also use this as a cap while you're using. So till when you don't use it, to keep the essence intact, they give this kind of packaging. So I love the packaging of this only comes in one size, that is 10 ml. Serums are very tiny, smooth particles that you can say they are kind of lubricating, a kind of oily material, but they are not oils, they are not even gels. They have a oily texture though, but this oily texture is not something like so much concentrated like essential oils. You can use serums directly on your face. I have used many serums from CGG Cosmetics, Tom Dog, L'Oreal, and I have reviewed them on the channel, so you can directly go on the channel playlist, or you can check out in the description box below, or somewhere will be linked in the I button above and at the end of this video. Serums are not so much concentrated like essential oils, so you don't have to dilute them. You directly can apply them on the skin, but make sure that while you're applying a serum, that is a skincare product, so obviously you don't put any face, like you remove all your makeups before applying a serum. Another most important thing to keep in mind is that after moisturization you don't go for serum. First you apply your serum to keep the serum intact, and to get it into your skin you have to apply a moisturizer after that, because serums are very light, and they are like very dilute oils, so they get very quickly absorbed by the skin, or if not by the skin, then it will get absorbed by the atmosphere. Though it is winter, so the humidity level of the air is different, so in that case all the skincare products you are using, remember that some is going inside your skin and rest is going on the atmosphere. So better whatever skincare products you are using right now in winters, this is kind of a tips. So whatever skincare products you are using in this winters, make sure that all the skincare products are soft nicely on your skin. Try to massage them well, so they just don't go to the atmosphere and waste your money. Else For serums, I can say serums are not something very common to me, was not something very common to me 2 years back. I was not into using serums, but the way I felt this is something was missing on my skincare, and that is nothing but the serums and essential oil. I have talked about a lot of essential oil in this channel, so you can check out in the playlist of oily skincare solution. Though I have extremely oily T-zone with oily skin type, I also have acne issues, but right this moment I have less, so I am taking care of my skin. In winters my skin tends to get too much to the drier side, so I have to apply a lot of moisturizers, a lot of essential oils, serums for people having normal dry and combination skin type. Everyone can use this serums are something that gets into your skin very easily. As I've told, they are like diluted materials, they just get into your skin quickly if you massage it in the proper way. Serums, you can also use sheet masks that contains serums, though sheet masks are not so much handy, not so much budget friendly too. So you can either use like sheet masks, and then massage the serum all over after you have used the sheet marks, and then you can interact with a moisturizer, or else you can directly use serums in any of your skincare regime. You can also use serum and get out with a heavy makeup or a makeup look. It also works as a good moisturizer or also a good makeup base. Face serums are very good makeup base for people having drier skin type, cracky skins. It gives a very flawless finish to their makeup, so you can definitely try it out if you have extremely dry skin. And if you're someone like me having drier skin type in winters, then you can also use serum as a makeup base. But if you have oily, acne prone and combination skin type, then do not use this, because that will make your skin more oily and that will ruin your makeup totally. So the first serum I'll be talking about is one of my favorite, with the ingredient that is nothing but salicylic acid. Aids with sebum production, because obviously having extremely oily T-zone with oily skin types, salicylic acids are beneficial for any kind of oily combination skin tones. Helps reduce blackheads too, and also salicylic acid has a property of antibacterial, antifungal, so they definitely kills the bacteria that causes acne and also cleans your pores nice. Next, my favorite is all-time favorite throughout the year. I can use this, that is nothing but the same NYbae Skin Fit and Glowing face serum, that is with vitamin C and vitamin B3. Vitamin C, as we all know, are very beneficial for our skin, that lightens up our skin, has anti-aging properties, also helps fight breakouts, hyperpigmentation. If you have acne spots, then definitely try it out. They really work great on this. The one is with multivitamins. I think multivitamins serum can be used by anyone. That also reduces acne scars. It also gives the exact amount of vitamins you any kind of skin type you have. You just want one serum for yourself, then you can put your hands on multivitamins face serum. Last but not the least is a face serum from with glycolic acid, that obviously aids like discoloration, helps treating scars. If you have acne scars like I do have one, so it helps treating those. So if you have a lot of scars, acne spots, or any kind of spots in your face, then you can definitely try this out. This all boxes comes in this way, small tiny cute boxes, white in color with all this NYbae things are written. This named Skin Fident, the variants of this Skin and Confident with Skin Fident, which is very cool. So here I have multivitamins, salicylic acid, vitamin C and B3 with glycolic acid. So this kind of look like this. Have all the details and also the ingredient list are given here. Inside you kind of get a like this with a cap, and also dedicated in every one you get one pump tube, so you can like take out the serum and apply it on your skin very easily. This is the multivitamins ones, which claims to reduce inflammation, lightens acne spots, and even skin tone. I feel it reduces inflammations, lightens acne spots is very less, but yeah, that happens after you use for a long period of time. Else here the marketing details and the pricing is 175 for 10 ml. You also get some discounts. There they write about their brand. How to use is given: use clean hands, apply tiny dot of serum all over your face and neck, massage for up to 60 seconds for it to absorb into the skin. The caution says sometimes natural ingredient but not shoot your fabulous looking skin, thus always do a patch test before use. Protect this beauty from direct sunlight and keep away from the reach of children for external use only. Key ingredients of this multivitamins are clear plant C, saccharide isomerate, base ingredients based on aqua, citric acid, sodium citrate, sodium ascorbyl phosphate, sodium starch, octanyl succinate, and maltodextrin, and they doesn't contain any paraben. All of them are organic. That also makes it very suitable for sensitive and all kind of skin types. The container is glass container, also have the same kind of writing all over. So this is how you use this. There's the glycolic acid, which
claims that it contains age-defying properties, aids dealing with discoloration, helps treat scarring. I feel somewhere um, this makes the skin more flawless. It has white properties on acne spots too, which I feel a lot. I don't have much scars on my skin, but I have a lot of acne spots. This is a vitamin C and vitamin B3 combination. You can also go for only vitamin C. So this inside is little yellowish color, as you can see. The multivitamins is white in color, so you can see it is a creamy texture. This one is also yellowish color, and the salicylic one also is a neon yellowish color. The vitamin C and vitamin B3 combined claims that helps fight breakouts and hyperpigmentation, which is so true. Gives the youthful glow, that's true. These are all the same things written about the brand. The key ingredients are different in all of this, so you can see. For this glycolic acid, it is also consist with lactic acid, salicylic acid, tea tree oil as the base, and licorice extract, mulberry extract too. For this vitamin C and B3, we have glycolic acid, lactic acid, licorice extract, mulberry extract, ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C, niacinamide, orange extract, yogurt, whey extract, cilantro extract, bitter melon extract, honey. A lot of fruits ingredients can be seen over here. Else we also have the salicylic acid, which says that it aids with sebum production, which is so true. Helps reduce blackheads, which I don't feel so, but yeah, it somewhere feels that it cleanses up the pores and you feel the sensation in the pores while you apply this. Salicylic acid with base ingredient tea tree oil, papaya extract, mushroom extract, spinach extract, and also tomato extract. All of this has really good ingredients filled in it, so they are all organic and does not contain any sort of parabens into them.
So for people having oily skin types can use all of this food. People having a dry skin type can use all of them, but salicylic acid won't do much great to their skin because it actually balances the production, or I can say it reduces the production of sebum on your skin, so that will not be so much beneficial for you. For normal to combination skin type, all of them does wonders. For dry skin type, except salicylic, all will do nice. Multivitamins, if you're someone new to using serums, then multivitamin serums are best for your skin type because your skin might be very damaged and you haven't used serums for long. So you first go with multivitamins. If it suits you, then go with others. For too much damaged skin, I think vitamin C also works great to clear out the damage, the breakouts, the skin faces for pollution and everything. So you can definitely try that out. For my skin type and my kind of skin, all of them really worked great. For I use them alternative ways, like whenever I feel using glycolic acid, I use that. Whenever I feel like using salicylic acid, I use that. I use all of them, but mostly I feel the result that you can see on your face very quickly comes from vitamin C and vitamin B3. It also comes with the one of multivitamins. You can definitely see the result very quickly, like you are applying tonight and sleeping out with a good coat of moisturizer or essential oil above it. You can also mix with essential oil and apply the serums, or you can first apply the serum, apply a good coat of essential oil, but never do the alternative. Never like apply a essential oil then apply a serum, because that won't work. Your serum won't work. Essential oil are concentrated material that will work. You can mix your essential oil with moisturizers, same like that. You can also mix your face serums with moisturizers, so that will also kind of give you the same benefit, but in that case you have to use a more quantity of face serums. For makeup purpose, use a less amount of face serum which you use on a daily basis for skin cares. Like I use around 4 to 5 drops of face serum all over my face and neck in at night. So whenever I'm doing makeup, I use only 1 to 2 drops maximum to like give a good coat of moisturization, a good coat of priming, I can say, before applying any sort of makeup on my face. Another thing I felt about among the four, the one of multivitamin has a base of aqua base, so it definitely will suit all skin tones and skin types. Else, three of them are oil based, that too with good oils like tea tree oil. Both of them are with tea tree oil, and another is like with yogurt and whey, that is vitamin C and B3. And if you are allergic to milk or milk derivatives on your skin, then do not use this vitamin C and B3 from NYbae. You can use from any other brand, but not from here. Else, I felt that all these serums are budget friendly. They are around 175 to 200 rupees, all of them, and they comes in quite budget compared to the others on the market, and also does the work that they should. This all serums I have bought from Purple. You can also buy them from any other websites. Links of this are given in the description box below, so you can check out the links and purchase from there. So for me, this NYbae face serums, all of them gets at 8 out of 10. So I feel they are good enough to purchase. They are budget friendly and also has a good amount, so they work really well compared if you compared with other costlier serums in the market. As I also love this one from CGG Cosmetics, that is the youth portion of retinol face serum, which I feel that this cost around 950 30 ml. So I feel that this is definitely a nice one. You can go for this if you're looking for a costlier face serum, but I feel the face serums of NYbae does quite the same compared to all these costlier brands which already has their serums. So I feel they are competitive and they are good enough at this price range, so you can definitely put your hands on this NYbae products. Everyone's skin has different texture, different unique texture, so you definitely do a patch test before you use it. Always do a patch test before you use any of the serums from this brand or any other brand, because everyone's skin and texture is very different. The reviews I made on this channel is all based on my skin type, having extremely oily T-zone with oily and acne prone skin type. The reviews are totally depend on the experience I have with the product, and I feel the NYbae face serums, whatever they write or whatever they claims, are quite true and they stand out to their claims. That's all about NYbae face serums. Definitely include a face serum on your skincare regime to get a glowy and flawless skin. So if you felt it a little helpful, then please hit on that like button, and that encourages us to make new videos and bring valuable contents for you. Do comment us below your opinion regarding this video or any other video contents you wanted us to make. Do share it with all your friends, and don't forget to click on that red subscribe button and the bell icon beside that, so you get notified whenever we upload our new videos. Yeah, that is all for today's video. Hope you're having a great new year and all these new festivals. I hope this new year brings a lot happiness in your life. So yeah, that was all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.